In few words, discourse analysis is concerned with specific spheres of activity, advertising discourse, academic, religious, tourist, political, journalistic, etc. Specific genres, economy, tourism, literature. Specific positionings, ideologies, evaluations, political positioning, etc. Particular discursive registers, which are manifested across the board in various genres and sectors of activity, for example the didactic discourse that affects both school texts and political propaganda. Particular formulas, clichés, and themes. Toon Adrianus van Dijk is a Dutch linguist. An expert in textual linguistics and discourse analysis, he conceived with Walter Kainz the construction integration theory, a computational theory for text analysis. Beginning in the 1980s, he devoted himself to the study of newsworthiness. In 2017 he founded the Center of Discourse Studies in Barcelona. Van Dijk initiated the perspective of CDA as a particular way of analyzing, understanding and addressing social problems. His approach to CDA is purely socio-cognitive. According to Van Dijk, journalistic discourse is not only a text but also a social act with pragmatic implications. Pragmatic implications, whose analysis requires both a description of the textual structures of the news, as well as a description of the processes of production and selection of the discourse in communicative situations and social contexts. Interactions between individuals within social structures take the form of text discourses that receive an interpretation from the subjects through an individual cognitive system. In each discourse is reflected in the mental models of the individual of the reference group. For Van Dijk, one of the main dimensions through which abuse of power and inequality is affected is discourse and the pattern of access to discourse. He believes that a critical analysis of the properties of access to public discourse and communication presupposes research into the political, socio-cultural, and economic aspects of domination. For the scholar, it is crucial, in order for CDA to be effectively implemented, that particular attention be paid to the semantic macrostructures, which are derived from the local microstructures and indicate the topics addressed in the course of a given discourse.